Pwe! Grabe, ang baho naman yan, Bes!
Yung sa'yo yung mabaho
Uy,
eh.
ang kapal mo, ah!
Always the good friend.
Hey, partner!
Uy, hop! Hop!
Always the good daughter.
Ha? Ano talaga? Binata mo yan! Bubuta ka sa kilyo!
Always one of the boys.
Friends?
Best friends. May mga babaeng gina-girlfriend.
May babaeng bini-best friend.
Can she dare hope for more?
Bakit pa hindi na lang kasi ako naging lalaki? Para okay lang kahit may bigote ako.
Mahal kita, kahit may bigote ka pa. Hindi ko pa pinapayagang ligawan tong partner ko.
Nagka-slow mo daw siya sa'yo!
Siya na yung girl of my dreams.
I think he's in love!
MTV na MTV talaga eh. Meant to be.
Can she dare believe?
Ikaw na nga yun.
Ako?
Oo, ikaw.
It's you!
Sorry, hindi pala ikaw yung slow mo. Ikaw naman kasi, ang slow mo.
Can she become the person she's meant to be?
Alam ko naman po kasi na hindi ako maganda eh.
Siya ba nagsabi sa'yo hindi ka maganda?
Masasakit pa yan.
May masasakit pa ba sa nakikita ko?
Can pain make her grow?
Mukhang tapos na po agad yung laban eh. Talo na agad.
Talo na agad? Eh, hindi pa nga nagsisimula ang laban.
Can love make her believe?
Something's different about you. Parang gumaganda ka. Patch is really lucky to have you as a best friend. And syempre, lucky din ako cause you're my boyfriend.
For the first time, Star Cinema proudly presents the big screen debut of Catherine Bernardo and Daniel Padilla. When you're inspired to make the change, when you're ready to fall, it must be love. Directed by Dado C. Lumibao, March 13 in cinemas.